Hi everyone, I'm Alexandra and let me show you how I've been using Dadan's Chrome extension lately. So if you're someone who's constantly explaining things on your screen, this will be handy for you. I used to send a mix of screenshots, voice notes, sometimes even jump on a call just to explain one thing. So I use Dadan's Chrome extension for quick walkthroughs instead of typing things out or over-explaining. Now I open up what I need to explain, say a dashboard I want to walk my team through, and let me launch the Dadan Chrome extension. From here, I choose what to record, full screen, a tab, or a window. I keep my camera on for a more personal touch, but you can turn that off too. Before I start, I usually check my mic here. You can switch between your internal mic or any external mic, which is helpful if you've got a setup already. I'll also quickly check a couple of settings here under more options. You can adjust your recording quality depending on what you need. I usually keep it at 1080p for clarity, but you can of course change that. Now, when you hit record, you'll notice there's a short countdown before the recording starts. I personally like this because it gives me a second to get ready. But if you want to jump straight in, you can just turn on skip countdown and start recording instantly. There's also an option to hide or show the toolbar while you're recording. So if you want a cleaner screen without any distractions, you can enable that too. Once everything looks good, mic, screen, all of that, I hit record. You get a quick countdown and then I walk through my presentation. While recording, you'll see this toolbar pop up. This is what I use to guide the viewer as I speak. So for example, if I'm walking you through this part, I can draw a box around the key metrics here. I can also underline this heading or circle the section we're talking about. And as I move across the screen, the mouse highlight makes my cursor easy to follow. So while I'm explaining the presentation, they can literally see exactly what I'm referring to on the screen. What's important, if I need to, I can also record internal audio, so things like a video demo or any sound playing on my screen gets captured along with my explanation. Once I hit stop recording, my video is uploaded to my dashboard. I can now copy the link to share or click watch on Dadan to open it in the player page and use the AI and interactive features. I grab the link and send it usually over email or Slack or wherever I'm already communicating. I've been using this a lot for walkthroughs and quick explanations, especially when it's hard to find time for a call. It makes sharing things on your screen a lot simpler and a lot more clear. So if you're already explaining things this way, this makes the process more structured and easier to follow. And that's how we record via Dadan's extension. Go check it out.